Hi guys. Today I wanted to show you this Heidi Swapp memory planner. It's a Magnolia I got from Michaels. And I'm going to be using it for my gratitude journal. So before I started to write it, I wanted to do a quick unboxing to show you what was in it. Not really an unboxing because I've been in it before, but we're going to start with these little sticky notes. There is a stack of white circular sticky notes and also a set of pink banners. And those pink banners have those gorgeous flowers on them. There's a set of tabs, and there are four of these fold over tabs in the kit. They have sticky strips on the back, so you get two gold and two of the black and white tabs. And those are really pretty if you want to section off your planner. Also included are these heart circular tabs. These are smaller, but again, you get four in the set. So you have two gold and two black. So I'm going to put those away. I cannot wait to use this planner, but I haven't seen any videos on it, so I just thought I would share. Also, in this kit, you get 2 pages of these translucent or transparent stickers. And they have the gold foil, and they also have those gorgeous flowers. Those are the flowers are what I think drew me to picking this particular planner up. But you get two sheets of stickers, and next I think you get these washi strips, and there are two of those in the pack. And try to get it open so I can give you a better look at what these look like. But there are two strips, and these are really thin. They're kind of like washi tape strips, but they have the words decorative sentiments on them that match the kit again in those flower patterns, and then the gold and the black. You also get in the kit, because the kit is undated, you get a set of numbers, and this is going to be enough to cover a whole year's worth of dates. So next, here is the book, and this book is gorgeous. I love the polka dot cover on the inside. Quickly, the setup for each month is about the same. So you get that first page, you get a monthly spread. That first page is kind of like first taking notes. And then you have the weekly layout. And each one has a saying on the end, not at the end, on the bottom of each page. There's a saying on the bottom of each page, and there's a different one each month. So that was January. And here's the February cover. Again, there's a little quote on the back. And as I was saying, the setup is the same, so I was checking to see if the quotes repeated, but they don't. So you have a year's worth of inspirational quotes on each weekly layout. So here's March, April, there's May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. And so that's what the dividers look like for the entire month. And like I said, all the monthly layouts are the same all the way through, but on the backs of the dividers, they have uh, another little inspirational quote. And, I just think it is such a classic look in a planner. And, I love all things floral. So when I saw this planner, I was sold. And I instantly knew what I was going to use it for. Um, I used a similar planner by Heidi Swapp as well last year, but I just love this planner and I cannot wait to use it. So I hope that you enjoyed the video, um, and I will see you in 2018.